Today we have a new product, something unusual. Okay, and we're just going to see it in a little while. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Tightly packed, struggled with it, and it's here. Here's it. Called a Retro Buddy NB. NB stands for Noisy Boy. Noisy Boy. It's an Indian product. It's a radio, AM FM, 3 shortwave bands. Okay, yeah, so that's what's in the box. It comes with a free solar panel. Which is what the radio will work on. Okay, it's very hard to get radios in India today, decent radios. I bought my last radio a few months back and I wasn't very happy with it. It was a Philips. And I bought my previous radio somewhere in 1987. This one has a bulb here with a built-in battery. All the settings. The battery here. We'll check it out. I'm not sure if it's chargeable. I'll have to check. Yes, it could be chargeable because there's this cable which connects to your USB. And then this is the battery case. But together with that, we have a free solar panel, which is quite exciting. Supposing we are stuck in a jungle, we can hear radio. We got it started. It's got a small antenna, and it's quite an impressive set. You know, it seems to be quite powerful. We are on shortwave now. We got BBC, we got Germany, we got China. It's a sensitive. If I'm outside, I get a better reception if I'm outdoors. And here is the setting for your shortwave, medium wave. This is probably medium wave. FM.
Nobody could have done it. Nobody. उन्हें इंटरव्यू में कहा और क्यों नहीं बनाते, बोला हम फिल्म मैन नहीं है, आई एम कार्टूनिस्ट। और जो फिल्म का आइडिया उनको है और एक्टिंग का जो पहले दिन हमको दिखाया उन्होंने, आई कैन नॉट इमेजिन कि आर के लक्ष्मण इज सच अ नाइस एक्टर, ही कुड हैव डन एनीथिंग, कुछ भी कर सकते थे वो, बिल्कुल। पर रिलीजियसली उन्होंने कार्टून और छोटी छोटी मूर्तियां गणपति की, कौवे की बनाते थे, घर में भरे थे। क्या बात। पैसे दे देना, चलो। वाह वाह वाह, ऐसी भी दिन थे। भारतीय
You know, I've not played around with it enough, but at first looks I'm very impressed. This set cost me something like between 13 and 1400 rupees. Maybe $15 US. I'm impressed. And I'm going to tune into it elsewhere. Tune. Now we are on shortwave, right? What's it on? Shortwave. Okay, tune. I guess the reception would be far better at night. It has got a torch there. The radio has come with a torch. Okay, can you put on the torch in this demo? How the torch works. Okay, so that's the torch. That's your torch for you. Yeah, torch. Okay, radio. You get another version of the same radio costing 3,000 something rupees. That's about $40 or more. Yeah, around $40. It was a made in India product. I asked my friends, how is it? They said, no, don't go in for it. But despite their advice, I did go in for it. And I'm pretty impressed, to say the least.
My gift is my song, and this one's for you. And you
This is FM which station? 105.4. Probably Goa, Bombay.
Umbilical hernia. As the disease progresses, infants are likely to have trouble feeding and may fail to grow and develop normally.
Okay.
They may also have constipation, poor muscle tone,
Wait, don't change.
sleepiness. Even modest instances of newborn hypothyroidism can cause serious physical
amazing fidelity,
and mental
yeah.
impairment
Amazing
if
fidelity.
When the thyroid does not produce and release enough thyroid hormone into your circulation, it is known as hypothyroidism.
What are the buttons on
Your
top?
metabolism becomes slower as a
Yes.
result. Hyperthyroidism,
Maybe-
also known as underactive thyroid,
maybe-
can
maybe-
make you feel exhausted, put on weight, and have trouble with
It may be your bass and treble and those things. What is that doing? What are these things doing? High, low, medium. There's some button which says medium, high. Mute. Okay, mute and forward and backward. Or go to the next station. Does it automatically select station? No, it's not. We are still to discover what it stands for.
Bluetooth mode.
What's that? Okay.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth mode.
Hypothyroidism is often a highly curable disorder. It can be controlled with consistent medication use and follow-up visits to your doctor.
Amazing
Located
stuff.
at the front of your neck,
So
right
folks-
below the voice box, the thyroid gland is a tiny butterfly-shaped structure,
You know-
larynx. Imagine the butterfly's body focused on your neck and its wings around your windpipe. The thyroid's primary function
Soft,
is to
a bit
regulate
softer volume.
metabolism, the process by which
Little louder.
it needs to function is known as metabolism. T4 and
So this
T3 are
is
produced by the
for
thyroid
our
and
generation
regulate
which
your
grew up
metabolism.
listening to radio.
These hormones instruct the body's
It means a
cells
lot to us
on how
because
much
radio was a
energy to utilize throughout
fantastic
the
tool
entire body. The
and brought us a
body's
lot of our
temperature is
knowledge and
managed by
information
them,
in
and
those days when the
thyroid
internet
is
was not
functioning
there.
properly, it
So my son is 21 years old, saw it and was quite amazed that a radio could be so powerful. Thank you and check it out please. Go online, you can buy this online. Just search for Noisy Boy, NOIZZYBOY. Thank you. I hope you like this unboxing video.
मुखलबंदांचा देशात म्हणा की जेजू ख्रिस्ताच्या बलिदानाउपरांत 3 दिसांनी त्याचे गौरवशाली पुनर्प्रकटीकरणाची याद इस्टर करता. जेजू ख्रिस्त शांतीच्या दूताक खुर्सार मारल्या उपरांत तिसऱ्या दिसा
So back here, loud and clear. It's now night time and the reception is better. So I'm just tuned in, showing you what the local news sounds like.
शासनाची मूल्यांचा ताणी
on
प्रचार
medium
केलो
wave.
अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान मुखार म्हळां. ह्या दिसा आमी दुसऱ्यांच्या कल्याणा खातीर यत्न करपाचें उतर दिवया आनी लोकांक सशक्त करपाची प्रेरणा दिवया. हे सोबीत गोंयांत रावपी आमी सगळ्यांनी एकठांय येवन लोकांचे सगळ्यात म्हत्वाचे असो समाज तयार करुया अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपल्या संदेशांत म्हळां. आज बिशप फिलिप नेरी फेराव हांणी समेस्त गोंयकारांक पावसाच्या परबीचे मार्गे
So then, a few more other things. There is this instruction manual that comes along with it. It's a very slim instruction manual of just a single page.
गोंयच्या
just a single page, and it basically is telling you how to connect with the Bluetooth on this device. Together with it comes this what I mentioned earlier. It's a solar panel which you can connect to the radio, and small another connector which goes into the USB.
तपास करपा खातीर काल वाळपय पुलिसांनी 18 जणांक चौकशी खातीर ताब्यात घेतिले. उपरांत तातूंतल्या 15 जणांक सोडले आनी तिगांक परवरी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर चौकशी.
So these are medium wave stations, all evening time from the west coast of India. So you'll hear languages like Marathi, Kannada, Konkani, of course. In case you were wondering, I really earlier didn't realize this. When your Bluetooth is connected, you can switch between the songs. Now we change the channel to.
कमी करा आणि कमी पडलेलं वाढवा.
जमिनीची पचनशक्ती कमी झाली ती वाढवणं हे करायचं. साधारण ते तुम्हाला ह्याच्यावरनं दिसू शकतं की कोरडी जमीन पडते आणि काही जमिनीत भेगा पडतात. तर भेगा
चौकोनी खड्डा तयार केलेला आहे. तो कसा? पाणी किती लागतं आणि ते कसं साठवून ठेवलं जातं.
ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಈ ಗಂಟೆ 27 ಸ್ಥಾನದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಟಾಪ್ 10 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುವ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು.
ખાલી એશિયા ક્વોલિફાઈંગ ઇવેન્ટની ફાઇનલમાં પ્રવેશ કર્યો. સમાચાર વિગતમાં. વર્ષ 2014માં આરોગ્ય ક્ષેત્ર માટેની અંદાજપત્રીય જોગવાઈ.
So a little while back, I actually connected this noisy box retro buddy to Bluetooth, and I got some good BBC programming. Unfortunately, it was crystal clear. Unfortunately, I cannot demo it because my smartphone, which also connects to Bluetooth, kind of the Bluetooth connection cuts when the camera is on.